Right, I'm going to do the third pod from South Links Chili Boys. I'm not looking forward to this one. I think it's going to hurt me. Hopefully I'm wrong, but I don't think I'm going to be wrong. This is a chocolate jigsaw. Normal jigsaws are pretty brutal, and normally chocolate pods can be worse, but it's a big mean pod. I just hope I don't get the cramps. I hate the cramps. That's just a strong smell, just ripping the stem off. Jesus. Oh my god. That is absolutely loaded with oil. The smell is so strong. I'll show you this before I cut this. I'm going to save the seeds from this because I want to grow this. This looks, but this just one mean pod. Just glistening with oil. Oh, I'm dreading it. I really am dreading it. The knife is dripping with oil. Oh, Jesus. Even though you cut, some of the placenta and that away, it just does not make a slightest bit of difference. Still looks mean in there. Still oil, loads of oil in there. Oh well, this is either going to kill me or God knows what it's going to do to me. Thick walled. Hot. Oh, it took some getting down. For a chocolate pod, it tastes alright, but the heat's there. Oh, Jesus. And a couple of seeds stuck in my teeth. Seed in the back of my throat. To be honest, so far that's a lot better than what I was expecting. It's hot. Flavour's good. Not the best chocolate one I've had, but it's not the worst. The heat's building and building and building now. It started like the middle bit of your tongue and it's now coming towards the front of your tongue. It's not saliva now. Still just attacking the front of my tongue, which I hate 'cause it burns like hell. Nothing you can do for it. Oh, Jesus. It's still building and building on the front of my tongue. Oh, still going for it, Jesus. It's all the front of your tongue, the front of the tongue is numb as hell. It's like when you get a... Oh, Jesus. Oh, fuck. Oh, it's just right at the front of my tongue, Jesus. I hate it like hell. It's not stopping, it's still building and building. I knew this was going to hurt me. Oh, God. It's just right on the front of your tongue. Seems to peak now. Jesus. That seriously attacks the front of your mouth. It starts off like the middle of your tongue, but then all of a sudden just bang, attacks the front of your tongue. It's just like when you burn your mouth on a red hot pizza. It just burns like hell. It's still not giving up, but it's not getting any worse. For that pod, there's quite a lot of seed in there. I'll certainly be growing that one. Starting to get a bit of a head buzz. My guts must be screwed over the last month or so, the amount of pods I've eaten, but Jesus. Only about another week's worth to do, and then a mod of sauces after that. And it's wind down then to next season. Still there, still burning like hell. It's not going to get any worse now, so I'll leave it at that. It's obviously still going to bear with me for a couple of minutes, but it's not going to get any worse, so it's pointless videoing it. Alright, cheers guys, see you later, bye.